She got that self-driving joint. Let me get out of the way. You got that thing on cruise control, Lou? What's wrong? She's so silly. I got the baby. I got the baby. Yeah, field trip. So guess what, guys? We're on a field trip with Lundy Lou at the zoo, behind her school. What's going on today? That's the class. Lundy getting a little touch up. Good job, Lou. 3, 2, 1. You see the line say, "Roar." Roar. Look, look. Look up there. Look right there. You see the line?
This is the sound you be making.
Thank you. Thank you. So we're waiting on group 2. So you don't be so wet.
She wants to get in the little hole. Stand up, Lula.
Nope. Nope, you got it.
Good job.
You got it.
All right, we're getting ready to go.
I got it.
Jonathan, the class is over here.
I know, but I want to get a different angle, Daddy. I'm here already. See the ducky? Oh, wow.
Woo. So we're headed to the bus tour so we can have a tour of the entire zoo.
wombat.
I want to say
Wombats like to hide. A lot of
he was hiding from us, so we couldn't see him.
Hello. Nothing to next.
They're hiding today. They hiding, Lou. What's so funny? Oh, the koalas. No. Oh, he is awake.
Eating in the tree. Maybe or he's hungry. Isn't he cute?
Yeah, he's eating a lot.
He's eating a lot?
I've never seen an animal that eats that.
It's so cute. He's cute.
He got you. But look. You see it, Randy? You see the bear? See the koala bear? Up here. Wow.
Oh, there's two of them. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. They sleep for 22 hours a day. We're here, London. This is the first place you said you wanted to go.
How are we doing, my girl?
He looked like he could jump the gate.
What's in the tree?
Why he so mad?
You see what's in that tree? To the right. What's that? Look like a rat.
He's opening his wings for you guys.
Can I pose for
Oh my God, he's so big.
Can I pose with you?
He's cute, isn't he? He's so big.
Oh my gosh, he's close.
Yeah.
Now you want to say hi. She was hungry first? Okay. She was hungry at first when fitting the elephants. And she excited.
Gift shop.
Let's go, Lady! She got that self-driving joint. Let me get out of the way. You got that thing on cruise control, Lou? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's wrong? She's so silly. I got the baby. I got the baby. Yeah, field trip. Wow, Lundy. Wow, Lundy. You see? Oh, I can record you. Huh? Yeah. Don't kiss it. Look. Look. Look, Lulu. You see? See it right here? Watch your head. Every time she see her reflection, she try to kiss it. Say, all right.
Okay, Kyoshi. Just like this. Let me do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll email it to you. Okay, that's fine. No, I'm gonna email it to you. That's not your email, bro. Here, I'll do it. Okay, look.
Come on, let's catch up. We go this way. You going the wrong way? that too. She think everything an iPad. She could just press. Thank you. Come on, look.
They stink so bad.
Don't look at it in the eye. I don't want to look at the snake. I'm sorry. I don't like snakes. It's a llama.
Do the egg. Let me let her back up and see the snake. Let's set her at high level. Wow.
Wow, llamas.
Mmm.
Are back up the way.
She said, because it's the egg. She thinks she can eat it.
Let's see if she gets scared.
Yeah, it is okay. That's why you shouldn't be doing that actually.
See, she ain't got no situational awareness. This is
That's
this
what.
nigga eat your ass, touch it.
Yeah, you a meal for him, London.
Everybody must be afraid of snakes.
Look at this one sitting real sexy. Oh, you sexy, huh? Okay. Look at you. Wow, London. You just look. Look.
So when I was in Dubai. Yes, good job.
They can climb this wall.
Aww.
Let's go, Lady. She got that self-driving joint. Let me get out of the way. You got that thing on cruise control, Lou? What's wrong? She's so silly. I got the baby. I got the baby. Yeah, field trip. Oh yeah. You don't like the animal jail? Visit all the homies? She ain't fucking with it really. But it was eventful. We went to the zoo on our first field trip with the school. Yay. Yay.
Yay.
We seen red pandas. I've never seen a red panda before.
So now we're off on our own. We
Yeah.
can go do our own thing now. Well, depending on London's little attitude, we're gonna see how long we stay. But this seems cool.
Oh, never mind. You climb up.
Oh my God, Zegler. Yes, guys. Give her some space. What? She's doing great. Cheer her. She's doing great.
Alright, guys, let's go back down and climb up. Yeah. We need to come back.
Good job, Lundy. Good job.
She was liking this thing. Daddy, will you sleep up? Linda, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zoo. See you later, Zoo. Bye-bye, animals. Bye-bye, birdies. Bye-bye, elephants. Bye bye, red pandas. All right, bye bye.